And on today's episode, I'm going to show you where you can find part-time jobs from home and be making $200 per week. All that's coming right up in this video. And also, if you want to learn how to create more than $200 per week passively, then click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation. And if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to go and hit subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for all my further videos, because I'm making a lot more content to make you guys a lot more money. Now, roll that intro. What's up, stackers? Paddy here with StackinProfit, and today we're going to be taking a look at a website called liveops.com. So with LiveOps, you're essentially becoming a virtual call center. So the modern call center isn't a call center, it's a network of virtual on-demand agents delivering unmatched scale and flexibility. So you are essentially becoming an on-demand agent, virtual agent. So once you're on this page, you can come over to here, become an agent. Now again, with everything that I show you, I will be leaving a link for this, or the links, down in the description below, so you can go through and check them out. So once you're on this page, come up to here to become an agent. Then it's going to bring you over to here. So do great things from home. Join a national team of agents delivering customer service, support and sales, all from the comfort of your home office. Now, to do this, there is a few things you are going to need, and I'm going to get into that in a minute, so stay tuned. But bear in mind, you can do this from home, and that's why you're here. You want to learn how to make money from home without having to go to the 9 to 5. So let's scroll down a little bit. As a LiveOps agent, you can work from home or any quiet place, set your own schedule to work around your life, enjoy the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss as an independent contractor with LiveOps. So, how much can you earn? So, if you do just 20 hours a week, you could be potentially earning $200 per week. Now, bear in mind, this isn't full-time, this is part-time. But with this bit here, actual earnings vary depending on opportunity selected, call volume, number of calls taken, and other factors. Independent contractors are responsible for expenses and contract their profit and loss. And if you read here, that's mostly up to you. Choose work that fits your skills and availability, then increase earnings with experience, great performance, and scheduling more time. Most opportunities pay a per talk minute rate. So the more calls you take, the more money you earn. So you can easily earn $200, $400. It all depends on how much. It all depends on how many calls you take will determine how much money you earn. So if we scroll down a little bit, how do you become a LiveOps agent? So you can check the requirements for your home office here. You can explore opportunities that fit your skills and schedule, and you must also have a third-party background check. So let's open the requirements and just take a little look. Let that load up for a minute. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments down below so I can do more like this. Now, I don't want frequently asked questions. So what do you really need to get started? So you need a quiet place so you can work, a corded telephone, a corded headset compatible with this telephone, a dedicated landline with telephone service, a computer with a wired connection to the internet. So just obviously the basic stuff to get started online. So the telephone and headset requirements are listed here. Come through and check it out. Same with the telephone services and the minimum computer requirements. computer and virus protection, and the internet connection. Now, I'll probably leave a link to this as well, so you can come through and check that out. And then the opportunities available. Now, there's actually quite a lot of opportunities on here that you could apply for. So if we scroll down, find your calling. Start with the right opportunity. Success, my bad. Success with live ops is about choosing an opportunity that matches your skills, experience and availability. Then building your own business by delivering amazing customer service. Choose an opportunity that makes you feel excited and confident, determined to stick with it and succeed. So opportunities overview. Use this chart to find opportunities that are a good fit for you. All opportunities offer flexible scheduling within the available hours, and all are remote. So every single one of these are remote jobs which you can do from home and choose your own schedule. And that's why you're here. Everyone wants to work from home these days. It's like the best thing you can do. So you can check here, inbound sales. You can learn more, apply now. Same with all of these. Roadside assistance, technical support, insurance claims, insurance sales, food order taking. I could do with some food. Healthcare, payroll support. So come through, check this page out and see if there's any opportunities that you would like to apply for. So work at home options to fit your skills and life. Become an independent contractor with live ops and build a thriving work at home business. In customer service for major brands. In a variety of industries. Find out what each type of call is like and the key requirements for each line. So I think this is a brilliant website, especially if you want to do remote work from home jobs and you can choose your own schedule. Then come through and check this website out. Now again, I will leave links for all of these in the description below so you can come through and see it that little bit easier. And if you sign up and you apply, to apply it's really easy. Just click apply, fill out the information and follow the steps. Now if this doesn't interest you and you want to learn how to create passive income, then click that link in the description below to get my #1 recommendation and I will send you the info straight away. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.